Well, hello there, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T Mike here on Toledo Bend Lake. It's Christmas time again. I just went out to the mailbox and got another package. I love it. Let's see what we got going on today. This one is from Tom in Minnesota. I've done several projects for Tom. Tom is apparently very detailed person. He normally sends the parts with it, which is pretty cool, so I give him a little reduced rate. Let's see what we got in here. Well packaged. I got a package full of parts here and a Magneto plate. And sure enough, Thomas sent the coils. Got spark wires in here. He's also got an envelope. See what he's got inside. Got a note. He even sent me the diagram of the parts. Looks like it comes from marineengine.com. Oh yeah, got a check. It's always good. Got a note here with all the parts, what's in the plastic bags. You got more parts here. So it's a Magneto repair job for a 1960 10 horsepower Johnson. So I'm gonna rebuild it with Tom's parts, test it on my ignition magneto test stand, make sure it's got spark, and send it back to Tom in Minnesota. So if everybody's ready for that, here we go. Okay, I got Tom's Magneto on my test stand here with my spark checker hooked up. Let's pull the rope and see if we got spark. Oh yeah. Yes sir, got good spark. So another Magneto rebuilt on T Mike's mail-in repair service. I'm gonna ship this one back to Tom and we'll get to working on the next one. See you on the next video. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and catch all my videos. You know, my passion are these vintage outboard motors. Johnson and Evinrude, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. I think I have all the videos, over 500 videos, on everything you need to know to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals for you to do that. I love what I do. The best way to reach me is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. You go to that website, I have links for everything you need. I have links for all the parts you need. If you don't know the parts you need, there's a link called the parts broker where you can fill out the form and submit it to me and I'll find your part for you. Alright, I also have a link for a mail-in repair service where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your Magneto. I'll repair it, video it, put it on YouTube and ship it back to you. I also have a link for technical consulting. If you have a question, just fill out the link. There's a donation page if you want to help pay T Mike. And I'll answer your question and get back to you. That's the best way to reach me, is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. I love what I do. It's been a great ride. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.